There it is. Ugh. That is not okay.
Our fridge has died. It sucks. Just decided to stop working. It won't do electricity, it won't do gas. There's just no power coming to it at all. And basically lost everything inside. You can see how tall our original fridge was. And this was our replacement fridge, and our replacement fridge is now broken. So now, we have to discover our new fridge. And take our display, because this thing has to come with us.
Yes.
It's gone. Bree has ordered the new fridge. And it's going to be taller than our old fridge, so I had to take out our top cabinet. But it's all cleared out. Gave us an excuse to clean back here, because it was dirty as hell. I don't think it had been cleaned for 20 years. You can also see the original color of our walls. How hideous! Now you know why we changed them. What are these? Curtains. We're washing all of our curtains. And we're... look at this. Oh! Ow. But like, there's cobwebs all over this place.
Ready? Death cobwebs, die!
So exposed. So exposed in the front, and I hate it. We're living in a fishbowl. Here, give me. Look at that.
Oh my god, yeah, does that, please.
It's all up under there. Ugh, on the side. Show everybody our dust.
What's in this big box, baby?
Our new refrigerator.
And have I been a crazy person about this? Have I, baby?
You've been absolutely insane about this.
Oh my god. Yes! My fridge. My beautiful, beautiful fridge.
Oh, look at how much that opens. Wow. It does not latch.
No.
So we're going to have to figure out when we're driving some way of strapping across.
Any
bigger, any wider.
And we would have been
any
effed
smaller.
in the A.
Yeah. You've been filming portrait this whole time?
Sorry. There. Landscape.
Yeah, landscape. Now that the video's normal.
Shush.
Filming?
Not yet.
You gotta get your light on.
Haha!
Hey, landscape. Landscape.
Let me restart it, turn off the light.
Who needs to go outside?
No.
Nope, they're going outside. Who's going outside? Let's go. Let's go outside.
Here we go. Roman is about to plug in the fridge. We should see the light come on. I am terrified.
You ready?
I think so.
Right, here we go. Let's find the thing. This is it. It's going in there.
Oh my god!
It's making sound. Things are happening. I'm gonna try and make sure that this is tucked away. Is it already getting cooler?
The fan is already moving in the freezer. Oh, we now have light in our fridge. And my new containers are so gorgeous.
She's singing in there, isn't she? So the thing about living in an RV through winter is that you're in a very enclosed space, and that means dust accumulates very quickly. Usually when the seasons change, we tend to do a deep clean of the RV.
I have to have a clean house after every single season. It feels like you're just resetting and refreshing. So right now we're having to deal with making sure that we keep the air conditioner extra clean because we need that mamma jamma to last. just...
Where we're at, it's usually averaging about 90 degrees during the day, and if we didn't have AC, it's probably about 20 degrees hotter.
And we're parked on asphalt, so it's basically like we're just a solar cooker. You know, that's fun.
Apparently we don't have air filters on our AC, and haven't since we've owned it, so it was no wonder that about a month later we took the AC cover back off. And how long ago did we vacuum this? Like maybe a month, and all of the dust is back. I mean, look at that, it's nasty.
Apparently, show them down there.
Yeah, so we just found out that we don't have a filter. What we thought was our filter, this thing, it's just for dampening the sound of the AC, and that there's supposed to be filters on either side of this. And the dust has just been circulating and obviously collecting right back up.
No wonder we've had to dust so freaking much. So now we're currently keeping the AC cover off because the way it was scientifically designed, where it shoots out on either end, it was not giving us properly cold air.
No.
But right now we have it just like blasting down into the Comvee. And for some reason that's cooler.
Yeah, it keeps the RV cooler without having the front cover on. So I don't know, maybe that's a tip for keeping your RV extra cold.
Or maybe we're idiots. It could really be either way, honestly.
We'll let you know if our AC suddenly just decides to...
So we're going to decide whether or not we're going to put a new cover over it, or we're going to redo the cover on it so that like we can also have cold air that comes directly down.
Because we still need air filters on it, so we may put the cover back up with some new air filters, but just cut a hole in the center and have that blast straight through. I don't know.
Yeah,
we'll see how it goes.
Stay tuned for that.
Yeah. I don't know. Try taking the cover off of your AC. Tell us if that works for you.
Yes, if you have an RV or a van or anything like that, I'd like to know if like that actually works. So you watched us stumble through a lot of cleaning there. We even went the extra mile and got some of those little scent booster pellet thingies, and we washed all of the curtains. Every single curtain, including the really big curtains in the front of the Comvee. The scent boosters, oh, it was so great.
Usually, if we wanted to do a deep clean on the RV, it would take us about a solid day of dedication to go through and really get it done. And this took us about a month, mainly because we kept having some problems in there, like our refrigerator dying.
Trying to buy a refrigerator in a pandemic is really difficult because apparently people are mass buying extra refrigerators to store extra food. Who would have thought? I was more excited about getting a new fridge than I have been about anything this year.
Yeah, it's true.
Adulting! So, doodles.